Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Trimco number 7281 large floor doorstop. So this doorstop comes to you partially assembled, and it's really disassembled immediately into some constituent components. Let's go over it. First, the long bolt. We're going to go over all these items, and we're going to assemble it and show it to you what it looks like assembled. Overall length of the bolt to the head is about 4 inch. Otherwise, the threaded portion is about 3 13/16. Working our way down, you're going to get the top cover. And this is shown in the 630 stainless steel finish. The diameter of the top cover, about 1 3/4 inches, with an overall thickness of about 3/8. You're then going to have the rubber stop itself. That's got a diameter. Let's go over that again. The diameter of the rubber stop itself is about 2 5/16 with a thickness of about 7/16. Has a brass bushing that's in the side there. You're going to then have an underside adapter ring. It's got a little lip on it, and we're going to show you that in a moment. That diameter is about 1 13/16. You're then going to have the circular sleeve. That's got an overall height of 1.5 inches. Overall diameter about 1.5 inches as well. You're going to have a brass shoulder bolt, or a spacer really, and then finally a double expansion anchor. Now let's put it together. You've got your bolt, you've got your top plate, you've got your rubber stop, you have your lipped plate. The lip recessed area will go pointed towards the bottom. Your spacer, it's going to fit inside of that lipped area so that it's going to look like that. Then at that point, you've got a completed stop. The only thing you're going to do then is bring the brass bushing and then your machine bolt. That's what your installation will look like. So obviously you're going to drill the hole for the bolt. You're going to set the bolt. Pardon me, the double expansion anchor. You'll drill it, you'll set it. You'll then begin your installation, quite frankly. Your bushing, your bolt's got an Allen drive in it, so you'll be able to get that installed down nice. Okay. There is a link below this video to a document called Cut Sheet that will give you all of the important dimensional properties, not only of what I've covered, but also of the 7280, which is the smaller in diameter version. Well, it's smaller in every aspect. So the cut sheet is for the 7280 and 7281. It does tell you helpfully that this is a 5/16 of an inch bolt, a bolt anchor they call it. That's called a double expansion anchor. The rest of the cut sheet does not really provide anything additional we've not already covered. This is going to be available in all of the common architectural finishes: your brass, your bronze, your chrome, satin polished, stainless, like this, but also polished stainless as well, and you select those at the time of order. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Trimco items that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. Where you're going to use this is a place where you want a modern, aesthetically pleasing, architectural sort of look. Certainly going to be considered heavy duty, there's no doubt. Once that's installed and tightened down, that will take a significant amount of use and abuse. That rubber stop face that's there is quite substantial. It's very dense, but you wouldn't call it hard. You can still compress it with your fingers, but still not so much so that you feel like it's not very heavy duty. I would classify this as most heavy duty. Okay? I'm partial to Trimco. It's not only because I'm a distributor, but because I review their products often for clients, and I have my hands on them like I do this, and I'm always very pleased with the fit and finish, the quality of the item when it arrives to you. The machining is exquisite. The finishing is perfect. There are items that receive significant hand finishing, like something polished brass. Push bars come to mind. It still smells of the polishing material, and you know that's all done by hand. So when you buy Trimco, in my opinion, you're really buying handcrafted hardware is what I think you get with Trimco, a name that you will find industry-wide comfort, familiarity, acceptance. If you have any questions on the Trimco number 7281 large floor stop or any other Trimco product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.